being one disqualified from lane number 7, it got reduced to 7 now. From lane number 7, one got disqualified, and 7 of the athletes are taking their finals in the women's section of 100 meters. Himanshi Malik, Enasmi, and that happens to be the start of the final of 100 meters in the women's section. And that happens to be Taranjeet Kaur of Delhi to be on top, and almost it was close for Archana to finish for the second spot. And that is the action replay. Athlete from lane number 3 finishing on top, having Archana Susindran for the second spot. That is the aerial view of the start line of 200 meters for women competitors. That was the start of the final of 200 meters for women competitors. There you could see Archana Susindran leading the pack, having Taranjeet Kaur of Delhi next to her for the second spot. And at the third, it is Chandralekha of Tamil Nadu. It appears to be so. Archana Susindran had taken up the race with much of leading with no threat. And as they enter the home stretch, you could watch out lane number 3 Archana Susindran is well ahead of other athletes, having Taranjeet Kaur of Delhi so close to her, who will be able to finish for the second place, and Ye Chandralekha from lane number 5.
Then Shri Reshma of Tamil Nadu, Taranjeet Kaur of Delhi. A broad smile emerged on her face. Taneshwari T, keep your eyes on her. A very promising and talented athlete from Karnataka. Did very well in the qualifier. Nithya rising quite rapidly on the athletic scene from Telangana. Avantika is slightly shy. NC Sojan of Kerala and Vijaya Kumari of Bihar in lane number 8. All the girls are very talented. They are from Telangana, they are from Delhi, Karnataka, Bihar, from everywhere they are here, from Maharashtra. Two girls from Telangana are participating, but all the other girls are from different states. It's nice to see. Clean start, and from the outside you can see, and from middle you can see that Taranjeet Kaur of Delhi is doing very well there, and the Reshwari of Karnataka is giving her some tough time, and Taranjeet Kaur is doing very well there from lane number 3. She is going to finish the race at the first position. She is quite happy. Taranjeet Kaur, she was under intense pressure from Dhaneshwari in the next lane, and Dhaneshwari tried so hard to pip Taranjeet Kaur, And here you can see that Taranjeet Kaur came to the first position after the 20-meter mark, and she maintained that edge over the rest of the field till the end. You can see that Dhaneshwari T is giving him some anxious seconds, but Taranjeet Kaur lived up to her expectation and won that contest. Dhaneshwari T came second, and Nithya of Telangana came third in that finish. Gold medal went to the girl of Delhi. Here they are sharing a pic, and it's nice to see good sportsmanship among all the the 200-meter gold as well. Yesterday she won the 100-meter dash. Or will Dhaneshwari T return with a gold and a silver? Both athletes are Indian number 3 and 4. Keep your eyes on them. Surely a tense final is on the cards. Clean start by all the girls. Tina and Taranjeet Kaur all have started very well there. And as I predicted, it's going to be a tough battle between Dhaneshwari and Taranjeet Kaur as they are reaching toward the home stretch. And Taranjeet Kaur is under intense pressure from Dhaneshwari T, and Dhaneshwari T is lagging behind, is stretching the limits of Taranjeet Kaur, but Dhaneshwari T is doing very well. Taranjeet Kaur is doing something extra, but not well there, and quite relieved with her performance. Taranjeet Kaur is the winner of this contest. She was under intense pressure from Dhaneshwari T in next lane, but she lived up to the reputation. Here you can easily see that Dhaneshwari T is doing very well and giving some anxious seconds for Taranjeet Kaur of New Delhi. And Taranjeet Kaur, here she is stretching her limits, and she know that the threat is emerging from the nearest lane, and she is in the top gear. And when she crossed the line, she took a huge sigh of relief, because she knew that the gold was not easy. Like yesterday, it was another tense battle between these two girls from Karnataka and Delhi, and